Okay, so she added the mixture back into the pot with the onions that were frying. And she added some Goya and with the blue top and some, what did you say, pepper. So now she's adding the boule. Is it too soft? You just don't want your hands. Why'd you take it out?
I didn't wash my hand when I came in. That's why I had the gloves because my hands were wet.
It's hot water. It's hot. It would have went away. My mom looks like she's been snorting cocaine. She has flour on her nose. So this is the boule. It's just flour and then some seasonings, and you mix it up with some water, and then you make it into little logs. They look like turds. They look like poo-poo when you roll it up. So yeah, roll it up like little poo-poo. And it's too sticky, so she's gonna add some more flour, and she's gonna put it in there, and it's gonna boil, and it's gonna cook, and it's gonna be delicious.
I'm gonna make it for you.
Yeah, she makes it for me and my sister because we're the only ones who were like, if you don't make boule, and it's not Sos Pwa. And boule in English means ball or round.
Dumplings.
Boule?
Dumplings and dumplings.
It's not, but I'm saying, how do you say ball in French though? Right, so it sounds the same way. So that's why I say ball.
Oh, okay.
But these are clearly not shaped like balls. But yeah, so you just put them in there, and you let them cook with the Sos Pwa. And the Sos Pwa is gonna have to boil and cook. Otherwise, it's gonna taste like raw beans. It's not gonna taste really good. You gotta let this. Aiden, don't touch the onion. You gotta let the seasonings of it get in there, so it'll be good. Just like how you do spaghetti, you gotta let it sit and simmer. It's the same way. Otherwise, if you don't let it sit and simmer, it tastes like sauce straight out of the can or out of the jar. All right, peace.